Hello everyone, welcome to the Packet Tracer Activity 15.2.1 from CCNP course ENCOR from Cisco. Okay, this activity is about configuring and verifying NTP addressing table, which is Network Time Protocol. Of course, as you already know, all the devices and the network should be synchronized in time. So the routers and the same network should have the same time configured in each device. As already this is clear, I think, for you, since the same scenario or the same story when you are dealing with real-time applications. So however, the concept is that there is a server somewhere. This server has a time, and it is like giving the time in a form of packet each minute or each 30 seconds or so on to all the devices connected to this server to use or to be synchronized in time. Okay, so in Cisco, and we have an NTP or Network Time Protocol. And as you can see here, like a scenario, this protocol synchronizes the time of the day among a set of distributed time servers and clients. Okay, so while there are a number of applications that require synchronized time, this lab will focus on correlating events that are listed in the system log and other time-specific events for multiple network devices. Okay, so NTP uses the User Datagram Protocol or UDP as its transport protocol. All NTP communications use Coordinated Universal Time or UTC. Okay, so not going to deal like reading more. So the concept again, we have the server and we need to set all the devices or the routers as the clients to the server through a protocol called NTP. Okay, so the topology here is not the same, so I'm going to okay, so this is the correct topology. As you can see here, configuring and verify NTP. The previous one was not correct, so I don't need it anymore. I'm going to close it. Okay, so we have this topology here. We have a server and we have two devices, and we are going to configure these two devices as the clients to the server to get a time synchronized. Okay, so here what we have first, NTP server. Server N1 is already configured as an NTP server to this topology. Verify the configuration under server NTP. We are going to here and their services, and here we have NTP. And as you can see here, it is on. Okay, now from R1, we are going to ping this device. It should be reachable, or we should get that you can see. Okay, so we'll repeat, we will have 100. Yes, and let's check it here. So the server should be reachable. One more time, and now 100%. Okay, so the server is reachable. Next, we are going to configure the NTP on the client. So we are going to go here and to do the process, configure terminal, and then first is check out if the NTP is already configured. As you can see, NTP is not enabled, or we can check the show and clock. And as you can see here, this is like time source hardware calendar. Okay, now let's set the NTP, the time to the NTP server. We simply use this NTP server and then we give the IP address of the server. And now that's it. Let's now check or to verify the NTP. So show NTP server or status. As you can see here, it's synchronized. And again, show clock detail. And here also you can see here that now we are using the synchronized server. Okay, so here this is the time now. We do the same here, configure terminal, and then give IP address of NTP server. That's it. Show NTP status, and here you can see it is synchronized, and the time now is the same on both of them, as you can see here. Okay, so if we will come here and then NTP, and then let's set, for example, 21, and let's say here is July. As you can see here, the time here now is changed. Show clock. As you can see here, this is the time. It's set according to the NTP. Okay, so let's see what we have more. So as you can see here, we already have 100 as a completion. And also we can type show NTP associations. As you can see here, we have also an information. However, so the concept again, NTP is a protocol that or should be running on the server, and we set the clients or Cisco devices with this protocol to get a unified time on all the devices, which is very important for routing information or for real-time applications. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.